So you know about the WeedShear perhaps, but did you know that we also have the WeedShear Lake Rake combo? See, with the WeedShear Lake Rake combo, you have the ability to cut all those weeds, whether they're submerged or emerged, and then once those weeds have been cut, then you have the ability to take this product, this is the long reach rake with float, after you've cut all those weeds, and you take this across the surface of the water, harvesting those weeds that were once afar off, and you bring them into your shoreline or perhaps into a wheelbarrow to get them out of the water after they've been cut. This is the WeedShear Lake Rake combo, a great package deal offered here at Weeder's Digest.